Open your web browser and type in scholabook.it, which you find present on the first page of your textbook. After doing so, click on Registrati and click on Register. After you've clicked on Register, you will come to a screen where it asks you to click the link which has been sent to your email. So at this point, we open our email address, go to the email and click the given link. You will be taken to your profile page. Codice coupon. The code is a secret code which cannot be used for more than one user. At this point, you will have to download the software which is required to view the digital content. Double-clicking the icon will take you into your digital workspace. Wait a couple of seconds for it to synchronize, and then you're ready to go to the next step. So let's have a look at the student book and the workbook for the New English file. Let's double click on the book. It takes us to all the available content which is there for the upper intermediate student's book and workbook. Now you will have to proceed with the download of all the material. So let's first start with the download of the book. Depending on your internet connection, this procedure usually takes around 1 minute or a maximum of 90 seconds. If you don't have a fast internet connection, it might take up to 5 minutes. At this point, we see that once we have downloaded the book, all the other material becomes instantly available for downloads. So let's have a look at the book. This is the New English file, Upper Intermediate Students Book. Let's try and click a listening file. Unfortunately here, as you see, we don't have the necessary files. So at this point, we will have to go back to the file manager, which is here. Once you click the file manager, you will see different content available for different sections of the book. Let's start with Students Book file 1 and 2, which is quite a big file as well. Click on download and wait for the content to be downloaded. Once the file is finished downloading, we can go back to the book and test. Now the same section which we pressed earlier is
1.4 1. A.
Do you have a big family?
becomes accessible, and most of the content to which you have downloaded, let's have a look again. So it's going to be file 1 and file 2 from page 1 to 24 is the content that you've downloaded and is available for you to use in the interactive digital book. Likewise, the content that is needed can be downloaded at any time the user needs. If you would like to get rid of your content after using it, you can press the Archivia button and the content gets deleted from the hard disk of the computer. Now if we scroll down, we can see that there is a lot of content which has to be downloaded for the workbook and the interactive book to work properly. Now our students, many of them, have come to us and asked us about the workbook. Now for the workbook, all you have to do is download the digital textbook, scroll all the way down and download the necessary files for the workbook. Now as you see here, we've got 2 audio files which are to be used from page 170 to page 205. Let's have a quick look. So we can go down to page 170. Here we are. Let's This is the upper intermediate workbook without the key. So you scroll down, you get the contents, and let's try a simple exercise we have downloaded. If I can only find a section that needs some audio, we can continue with this presentation. Here we are. Pronunciation. 5. Intonation and sentence rhythm.
1B. Pronunciation. 1. You don't like the soup, do you?
Now, as you see, the content is available after we downloaded it. Likewise, the keys, the texts, and everything is downloadable from the area within the application. So, our recommendation to all students would be to download all the necessary content onto their hard drive before launching or using the book. That way, once you've got it out of the way, you can enjoy using the student's book for the New English File Digital Edition. Thank you for watching.